I bought X39 for my mom with chronic migraine every day and panic attack and depression every day, but I don't know how to use, where to patch, and how often. How long can I see the effect? Haha, guys, I'm going to ask Lilian to unmute. Anyone who got migraine problem, got panic attack and depression, fundamentally is always digestion. So the body cannot digest the food. You do not have enough blood. When the upper body, especially your head, have no enough blood supply, you start to have degenerative problem. You start to have migraine. Okay, so Li Leiyan, can you unmute yourself, Leiyan?
Hello.
Hello, Leiyan.
Hi.
Hi, you can hear me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so how long have your mom been using the patch?
Actually, I bought it very long ago. I cannot even
I
remember
see.
when. And then,
Wow.
so when I bought it, she just used a few times and she said it's not working. And then she just stopped using it.
I
Yeah.
see, I see. Then for your case, it's quite easy. Just let her to patch consistently for at least 3 months first. So, but the if you want your mother to see very fast result, there are a few key takeaway. Does your mom take brown rice?
Yes. Sometimes.
Brown rice, right? Sometimes. So most of the time, she taking white rice or brown rice?
Most of the time, white rice.
White rice. So how many bowl a day, or only a few spoonful?
I think maybe I think one bowl a day.
Okay, one bowl is actually quite good already. Okay, does she take a lot of fruits?
Does she take a lot of fruits? Not
Yeah,
really.
then should be fine. Okay, so does she has any digestive issue like bloated stomach, acid reflux?
Yes.
Okay, how many years already is the acid reflux or the
Uh,
bloatedness?
Many years.
Many years. Okay.
Yeah.
So if the food intake is correct, got the white rice, not so much of fruits, right? Generally, she will see the result quite fast. The reason that she have migraine is because you have many years of acid reflux. The body cannot digest the food properly, so the body do not get enough nourishment to build the blood. When your blood is in deficient, your migraine come, your panic attack come because your heart is getting weaker, do not have enough blood to pump. Depression come after that also because you do not have enough energy to control your emotion. We just need to fix the digestion. And LifeWave patches, when you put it on, she's going to see a few things. Number one, she will feel that the acid reflux reduce. She will find that, how come I got better appetite? I want to eat more. I get hungry more easily. When you have CD sign, the migraine is going to disappear in no time.
Mm. But
Okay?
because also for her, right, she takes a
Yeah,
lot of medication every day.
it's okay. It's okay. As long as she's taking rice, even she's taking a lot of medication, it's fine. The most important thing is if she takes so much medication until she couldn't eat rice, eat the proper meal, then there's a problem. But if you say that she still can take one bowl of rice, can still take normal meal, that is fine. So our
So,
goal is
mhm,
after she get better,
mhm.
I believe that she take a lot of red color pills for the migraine attack, right? For the painkiller.
No, she takes gabapentin for her head. She takes amitriptyline for a day. She takes, like for sleeping pill because she has depression, right? So she take
I
like
see. Yeah,
bromazepam, lorazepam,
I see. I see. Right,
Yeah.
right, right. So when we start to get better, when the digestion start to get better, the sleep will get better. And then slowly we can reduce the medication already. So no worry, whatever she have been taking can continue to take. Slowly we can slowly weed off all the medication. But your mom takes some time. This is not a go you patch or immediately get done. It's going to take into a process. Your mom just need to stick with it for at least 3 months time first.
And then you seems to say that she shouldn't take fruits and she shouldn't take brown rice, is it?
Yes, you are right.
What is the reason? Because this is like usually this is recommended, but you are saying otherwise.
Amazing. So Leland, this is the first time you come to the Zoom.
Yeah.
Amazing, congratulations. So we have seen so many cases of our brain partners over here. they've been taking a lot of brown rice, but they always got constipation at the gallbladder stomach, and then they keep eating. It's because brown rice, the reason people take brown rice is because they think that the sugar spike is not there. When you take white rice, the sugar spike is there. So they want to avoid white rice. However, those study only study on people only take white rice without taking any vegetables or chicken breast. The actual study that when they compare people is eating white rice together with a regular diet, with the vegetables, with the meats, right? Their sugar spike is actually very, very manageable. So those people who are taking brown rice, that brown rice, because it's so hard. The rice supposed to be digested in our mouth by the saliva, but because the brown rice come with the husk, it already blocking a lot of digestion happens already. So when you go to your stomach, your body need so much more energy in order to digest it. So at the end, your body not getting the nourishment, your body cannot build the blood cell, all the migraine problem, depression start to come because the fuel is not enough. And about the fruits, fruit is too cooling already. Our body is not designed to digest fructose. This can cause inflammation. And a lot of people, they are eating excessive fruits. And this is what we want to avoid.
Oh.
Okay, so how about you, Leilan? How long have you been using?
No, I've never used before. I don't
You
have
never used
any.
before?
Yeah.
I see. So you bought it for your mom only?
Yeah, correct.
I see. How old you are?
57.
57. Menopause already?
Yes.
Okay, do you have good sleep? Are you able to sleep well every night?
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. Do you have any heart palpitation?
Very rare lah.
Sometimes the heart very rare. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any bloatedness?
Bloatedness. Usually no.
No. Oh,
Yeah.
that is quite okay. That is quite okay. Are there anything that you personally that you want to improve? It can be wrinkles, it can be pigmentation, it can be hair loss. Do you have anything?
Nothing in particular at all. Yeah.
Wow, fantastic. This is the best product for people who have nothing in particular because it will address the problem that you don't know why they need to address. So I strongly suggest you at least give yourself 1 month's time. Anyway, there's a 1 month money back guarantee. You start with 1 month. In the first 30 days, right, you take a photo of your face.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If general you're healthy one, like what you say, I got no more bloated, I can sleep well, my energy, everything is fine one. When you put the patch, right, immediately your skin will glow already because it make your cell younger. Every 6 months, it get younger by 8.5 years old. Okay, so this is what I always suggest people. Just take a photo, don't worry, give me 30 days. 30 days is all I need. You take a photo of your face, and then 30 days later, before you request the money back guarantee, you compare. You'll be very surprised. If you are not surprised, don't worry. You send an email with the invoice number, you get the refund in 3 days.
Oh.
Okay, give it a try. Since you are here already,
Yeah,
don't.
actually, I get like tension migraine. When I'm stressed out, I get migraine.
I see.
Right.
Normally,
I think it's
if
driven
you
by
have
stress.
migraine, I see. So normally, of course, stress induced is one of the cause and effect. But what is more in-depth analysis is when you have stress, you don't digest food well. That is why we call 废寝忘. We keep thinking that we forgot to eat. We eat very little, or when we eat already, it will still stay there because all the energy is in the brain when you feel stressed. So it's a digestion. Okay, I understand migraine, and I think whenever you feel stressed, right, that migraine is even make you even more stressful. Give yourself some chance. Okay, normally people who have migraine, generally their skin complexion is palish. It's more pale because the blood is not here already. If you want to really have a face that is rosy, the lips is rosy, right? You give the patch, you are going to see big changes. When people look at you, they will say, how come you never use the fenty already? Yeah, I don't use fenty already. Now my skin is rosy but from inside out. The 血色 is there. This is for people who got migraine. You will see these kind of changes. Just take a photo, give me 30 days.
Okay. And can I
Okay,
also ask you about
come,
my
come.
husband? He
Sure.
has he has a irregular heartbeat and then
Okay.
occasionally very fast. Yeah.
Very fast, or maybe the temperamental lah.
Yeah, irregular habit, really.
I see, I see. Okay. Normally for people who got irregular habit or panic attack, right? The root cause of the problem is also from the digestion. Does your husband got any gut problems or any bloatedness, acid reflux?
Actually, he has no gout problem, but he always like, a belch, like, like that.
Ah, yeah, yeah. So it's the same thing. So are you and your husband eating brown rice?
Yes.
Okay. When you switch to white rice, the fastest changes is your husband do burp already. They want immediate. That's immediate. You can test it for the next 1 week, right? Wow, sure, bro. Really, the moment I change for white rice, do I burp already? Is because those kind of gas is when a food isn't being properly digested for too long. It's like a banana skin, right? If you put on the table, leave it there, it will start to have a gas methane. Same thing when the food is not digested quickly enough, it will start to have gas and gas become
Okay.
hello. Yeah.
Yeah, got
So
it.
don't worry. Yeah, got it. So for your husband, also the same thing. What is the reason that you have a palpitation? Is because for people who got acid reflux, the gas keep coming out. It hurt the heart already. So the heart is like it's being smoked, like a smoked chicken. It's being smoked. So you say, hey, how come so hot one? So it will keep on palpitate, palpitate, palpitate. So the root cause is still the digestion.
Hmm.
Okay. So don't need to take my word for it. Try the patches, change some diet, no fruits, take white rice, and then you take a photo of you, your husband, and your mother. Every day I'm here, don't worry. Okay, I'm so confirmed that three of you, right, you have the best day of your life after using life. You will see life very differently. Okay?
Got it. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Lilian. She say thanks lah. Not sure whether she want to trust me or not lah, but we do our best. Okay, this is my outlook. Okay, I will give you whatever I think I know. I really want you to get better. Okay, there was one people asked me after one of my roadshow, Jinlong, why you keep teaching us how to become healthy? If the life is so good, so profitable, you do yourself lah. Why you want to share about the business opportunities to people? Want people to share? Kind of idea, right? It's like if this is really so good, why you don't just use it and sell people? Why you want to teach us to sell this? And why you want to share with us about the business opportunity? You can just wall up all the market. The idea is this. If you want to transform healthcare, it cannot be only one person. Let me tell you why. Then you understand the logic, why I'm so passionate about sharing with you all, because it is also for my personal interest also. The idea is like this. If the whole world, no one understand the importance of organic food, everyone will take all the frozen food. Everyone will take all the 7-Eleven, the pre-made food. Everyone will take the processed food, all the peanut butter, all the bread. No one pay attention to the fresh eggs, fresh rice, fresh vegetables. Everything is a processed food. Only one person want to eat fresh. Do you think that there will be market for fresh food? There will be no market for fresh food. So that means even I know about the importance of it, but because the market don't have the demands, I will suffer together. So when this one person become 10, become 20, become 1,000, 10,000, become millions, it become a new market. When there is a supply and demand, some people will say there are so many people want to buy organic food. Let me do some organic food supply chain. Okay, so all these millions of people, they can start to get healthy together. This is the reason why I spend so much effort to educate you, because I fully understand this. If you want to transform the healthcare, the massive demand has to be there, but the demand comes from understanding about your health. If you don't have the understanding, you think that eating peanut butter, eating fish ball is like eating fish, taking noodles is like taking rice. If everyone have this kind of idea, everyone will just buy processed food. No one want to appreciate the freshness of the food. But when I can address the fundamental understanding of this with the education, when the demand on the right things is there, we shape the market. And this is the reason I want to share with you. I want you to talk about the product, to share to your friends. They get more enlightened about their health. They are more observational about their health. They make the right choice to the right direction. Then we can transform the society. Do you get the idea? Am I speaking too deep? Do you get the idea? If yes, type 555. Do you get the idea? If yes, type 555. So this is the reason, one peak at a time to 10 people, 100 people, 1,000 people. We change the demand structure. Things will change.